most of us, our furry friends aren't our pets, they're members of our family. So when your dog is whimpering under your bed during a thunderstorm, you can sometimes feel a little helpless in knowing exactly how to calm them. Leashes and Leads gave me some tips on how to relieve your pet's anxiety and maybe prevent it altogether.
Some pets are completely unbothered by storms, while others may run and hide, whimper, shake, and can even damage furniture. Rachel Lever of Leashes and Leads says those sensitive pets are likely reacting for a reason different than what you may think.
When the barometric pressure drops, it can actually cause like a static electricity in the fur of your dog, and it'll feel like little stinging nettles, and that's what they're usually reacting to, not the storm, not the lightning. It's actually that feeling of static electricity. So usually that is right before a storm and sometimes right after.
Your pet will usually make it pretty obvious if they're scared or anxious, but some of the most common signs are panting, whining, pacing, shaking, hiding, or refusing to eat and drink. When a storm is occurring, Rachel says the first thing to do is to stay calm. Pets can actually feed off of your stress, causing them to become more agitated. Next, make sure your pet has something to keep them busy. Give your dog something to chew on that will keep them distracted. Rachel suggests a frozen Kong with peanut butter, a bone, or a lightly lavender-scented toy that can keep them busy while also having a calming effect. Thunder shirts are also a great tool for storm-fearing pets.
It comes with a variety of Velcro so that you can really get the best fit for your dog. And this will help keep their hair close to their body so they can't feel that change in barometric pressure.
If you get the right size that's a snug fit on your pet, it'll have a similar effect to swaddling a baby. However, it's best to act instead of react to your pet's behavior.
Knowing about it, being cognizant of it, and preventing it is really better than treating it after it's already happened.
If you know a storm is coming later in the evening, there are some things you can do during the day to prepare your pet. Turning on a humidifier in your house will limit the amount of static electricity during a storm. Keeping your pet busy, wearing them out with lots of walks and stimulating toys will give them less energy to devote to anxiety when the storm finally arrives.
If you feel like you've tried all these tips and more without any success, you can always consult your vet about anti-anxiety medication for your furry friend.